In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to quickly delete or remove a drive partition permanently in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to bring up your File Explorer. So at the File Explorer, you need to proceed to the left navigation. There you can see this PC, click on it. And under the disk PC, you need to proceed to the partition that you would like to delete with. So first and foremost, you need to back up all the personal data that you have. So if you have any personal files that you would like to keep here, you need to back it up. So copy and move that here on any of the location like documents, pictures, music, videos, and more. So it is very crucial to back it up since the moment you will delete your partition, you would be able to delete your files permanently as well. So it is very important and I would suggest to back it up. Okay. Might as well in your primary partition. Okay. You need to back up all of the important files that you have as well. Okay. So once everything has been backed up and once everything has been secured, you need to close the window and proceed to the deleting of the partition. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. Now to start, you need to navigate at Day Start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Disk Management. Here at the Disk Management, you'll get to see all of the partitions that you have created or is present in your Windows, as well as the volumes, the C drive, or anything that is being present like drives or USB drives that are being plugged in your Windows 11. So just select the partition that you would like to delete, make a right click, and click on Delete Volume. Once you click on it, here you need to click on Yes. So it marked here unallocated. You need to navigate to your primary partition, make a right click and click on extend volume. However, if the extend volume is being grayed out in the list of the option, we have no choice but to proceed to delete volume as well. That's why I'm saying earlier that you need to back up your primary partition as well. Not only the partition that you would like to delete, but also the primary partition. So make a right click and click on delete volume. So this I mean here it stated that deleting this volume will erase all the data on it. So that's why I'm saying that you need to back up all of the personal data that you have. Click on yes, then it will be merged here, but it marked here unallocated. So we need to create a new simple volume. Make a right click and then please proceed to new simple volume. Okay. And wait until you can open another window. Okay. So wait until you can open this window. Please proceed to next. Click on next and then you need to assign for a following drive letter. Then click on next and then please set the file system for NTFS since FAT32 is already old. So click on next and click on finished and in a few moments you'll be able to successfully merge it. Okay, and might as well delete the partition that you have selected. So wait until it would be completed successfully and after that, we're good to go, okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.